Hello friends. So last video we have seen the SQL Server components. So in this video we have seen the what is the configuration file and what is the summary file. So when we have installed the SQL Server instance, that time two files are created. First one is the configuration and second one is the summary.txt file. So we can see one by one what is the configuration and what is the configuration file and what is the use of this. So first one is the configuration file. So in SQL Server, configuration file is a file that contains the configuration settings for the installation. During the installation process, you can use a configuration file to specify settings such as the installation path, then installation name, then service accounts and other options. This can be helpful if you need to install SQL Server on multiple machines with the same configuration setting. For example, we have installed one instance for the 4 machines. So that's time we can easily, with the help of this configuration file, we can set up this SQL Server file for the same configuration in these 4 machines. So the location of this configuration file is C file program files, Microsoft SQL Server 130 setup, bootstrap and logs. So practically we can see where it is the configuration file. So in my computer I have already installed the SSMS as well as install the SQL Server setup. So now we can check where is the configuration file and where he is located. So now first we have go to the file manager, this PC, C drive, then go to the file programs, then go to the Microsoft SQL Server, then go to the 140 because I have installed SQL Server 2017 setup. So go to the 140, then go to the setup bootstrap, then last one go to the logs. So this is the location we have the configuration file is located. So now we have checked these files where it is configuration file. Now say here is the configuration file. So this is the configuration file path, here is located. So now we can open this file and see what is inside this. When we have opened this configuration file, now we can see the some installation actions, some information regarding the action install, then some parameters we have provide when we have installed this instance. For example, instance ID is JPB, then AG account name, agent account name, then what is the file stream level, and what is the startup type of parameter, what is the startup type automatic, what is the SQL sysadmin accounts. All this information while we have installing the SQL Server, these are present in the configuration file. So for example, we have installed this setup in another PC, so we have easily installed with the help of this configuration file with the same configuration. So this is the use of this configuration file. So this is the location of configuration file. Next we can see the summary.txt file. During the SQL Server installation, a summary file is created and stored in the installation directory. This file contains the information about the installation, such as installed components, configuration settings, and other details. The summary file can be used to troubleshoot installation issues and to verify that the installation completed successfully. So in short, summary.txt file is nothing but the one type of file. For example, we have installed one instance. So in this summary file we can see we have taken last action, is there, failed or pass. So the location of summary.txt file is C, program files, Microsoft SQL Server, then version number, setup, bootstrap and logs. So now we can see where is the summary.txt file and what is the summary file, and we can open the summary file and see what is inside this file. Go to the file manager, this PC, C, program files, MS SQL, Microsoft SQL Server, then 140 because we have SQL 2017, then setup, bootstrap, logs. This is the summary file. So this is the location of summary.txt file. So now we can open this file and see what is the information in that file. So actually I have performed one activity. I have removed one patch from the instance. So this is my activity result. Final result: pass, request action, remove patch, start time, end time. All these are some information regarding we have performing last action. Then instance of overall summary. These are some information regarding our instance or properties in the summary.txt file. This is useful. For example, we have faced some issue or the installation or any action. So with the help of summary.txt file we can easily troubleshoot this issue, because the error have been seen in this summary.txt file. So this is the location of summary.txt. So in this video we have seen the summary.txt file and configuration file. So in next video we can see how to connect SQL Server with the help of SSMS.